Welcome. Today we're going to show you how to change name on Fantasy Premier League. So how to actually do that? So first you need to actually open your Safari browser because you can't do that in the app. So you need to open the browser from here, and after that you need to log in into Premier League. So after you sign in with your email and password, you need to actually click on the three lines on the top left corner as you from here. And now this menu will open. You need to click on Fantasy from here. So, after you click on Fantasy, this menu will appear. You need to click on Pick Team. Now you need to scroll all the way down till you find the admin panel from here. You need to click on Team Details. So, now you need to enter the team details so you can change the team name. All the information about the team will appear. You can just change the name from here, write any name that you want, and after that you need to scroll down and hit on Update Details. So now you need to just click on it and your team name will change. So that's it. Thank you for watching and see you in the next videos.